Why do children need to think differently? Technology is rapidly changing the times we live in, where jobs that existed a decade ago are no longer relevant, and jobs that are relevant today will become insignificant maybe a decade or two from now. According to a report by Mckinsey, automation will replace 20 to 25% of global jobs by 2030. So now we have to ask ourselves, are our children, the Gen Zs, prepared for these changes in the future? Are our kids ready for Industry 4.0? These are the questions which makes most of the parents nervous. At Moonshot Junior, we have several initiatives to help solving the upcoming challenges, and one of them is our hackathon. At Moonshot Junior's hackathon, we give these young minds a scope to enhance their thinking ability and find creative solutions to challenges faced in the real world. 21st century education needs to focus on creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. They need to look at collaborative projects and develop children's communication skills. These abilities are the ones Gen Zs will need the most, not just to survive, but thrive in the years to come. And Hackathon is a means to this end. Industry 4.0 is already here. Recent studies across several countries reveals a higher survival rate for new ventures in innovative industries. This means that our children need to think out of the box to flourish and be successful in the future as entrepreneurs and innovators. The Moonshot Juniors Hackathon is a step towards achieving this mindset, where Gen Zs can work on problem-based projects, think creatively, and find sustainable solutions. So enroll your children to Moonshot Juniors Hackathon today and let them explore their hidden potential and showcase it to the world. Thank you.